Seriously guys, it's not clickbait. Yes, we earned a free turkey for our family for Thanksgiving. Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you our Walmart and Aldi's grocery haul. I'm actually putting Aldi's at the end because I'm super excited. I need to show you guys this stuff and explain it and get this video out to you guys so you can take advantage of this as quickly as possible. But first I'm going to cover a couple things from Walmart that are not part of what I'm fixing to discuss here and there. So let's start right here in front of the microwave. We have 4 Mios for this week that are blurred: Acai Berry Storm, Strawberry Pineapple Smash, Tropical Fusion, and Black Cherry. 1 Chipotle cream sauce. This is great for quesadillas, and Matt puts it on his nachos. Whole berry cranberry sauce. We're going to be making cranberry oatmeal from scratch. It's something fun that the kids like. Ignore that for a minute. And then also, it is the season, so we went ahead and picked up a Canada Dry cranberry ginger ale to make our Thanksgiving punch with. That is it for the everyday stuff. So let's talk real quick, guys. You know I'm a huge fan of IBOTTA. The past couple years it felt like the IBOTTA goals were unrealistic for getting grocery money saved for the holidays. So several years ago they did a couple where they had like amazing deals on the stuffing, and you could get like 1 free box of stuffing if you made any purchase that day or something like that. And like each of the things you would need, like a can of green beans, a can of cream mushroom soup, french fried onions, and like all that was free. And then they switched to doing a different method last year where like you had to have so many people sign up. Well, most of my friends are already signed up for IBOTTA, so like I didn't have that as a big push. This year they did it different. If you put in 16 unique, and when they don't say this, what they mean when they by unique is you cannot have already used this redeem within the past like month, like 4 weeks of them uploading this, of uploading the new offers, then 16 unique offers and you get a free turkey. Like it doesn't even have to be like a specific amount or anything, and it cannot be like the 10 cents off anything, and it has to be like money off of Chobani flips. So we were able to go today, and honestly I was going and I was looking and I'm like, okay, do I actually have enough on my list of things that I actually need for this week or in the coming weeks where I would do it? And I started looking, and for what our family needed, yes we did. And we're normally not like big name brand people, and a lot of the IBOTTA stuff is name brand. But I started looking and comparing, and some of the stuff with the rebate. And by the way guys, I already showed you on Instagram. I may include a screenshot somewhere in this video as well. The rebate for all of this was immediately $30-something. You only need $20 in your IBOTTA account to dump it over to PayPal immediately. So now before I even go purchase this turkey, and we'll talk about that more in a minute, I've already got money back into my PayPal now from the rebates from all of this to cover the cost of that. And some of this was free. So let's get into that. The Gain hand washing dish soap, I was out anyways and I needed more, was cheaper than the brand that I normally purchase. So I was like, you know what? I like the Gain fabric detergent for my clothing. Let's try the Gain one. And then there was a coupon on top of it. I will add all that in like the script on the screen somewhere of how much each IBOTTA rebate was, because I've got it. I want to show this with you guys, but also I've got like family stuff today, so I've got to get moving. But this was cheaper anyway, so I went ahead and got it. The Cinnabon was more of a luxury thing, but it also is going to be for breakfast for 2 days this week for our family, which also means that things that I was going to buy for breakfast then came off of our meal plan. The same for here with the Chobani flips, and I'm going to get to these drinks in a minute because I keep kicking them. The Chobani flips, I'm going to take some stuff off of Matt's meal calendar that I was going to purchase for his breakfast today, and then I'm going to do this. And I may also do another updated video of what I pack in his lunches for the around the holiday season to make it easier on myself and for him, and just I'll share all that. But I went ahead and picked up Chobani flips for him and maybe some for myself as well. So we have the peanut butter cup, the strawberry cheesecake, the chocolate haze craze, and the cookies and cream, as well as the Chobani flips and the Chobani oat milk and the Chobani drinkable yogurts. If you purchased at least 2 of the offers, you also received an additional 50 cents back. So that was pretty cool as well. That didn't count towards the unique offers for the turkey. It was just another bonus. And this will be more than 16 offers because a couple of these we've already purchased recently. So we counted only new offers of things that we had never redeemed or have not redeemed for a long time. We haven't done the flips in like a year, so it counted. So the drinkable Chobani yogurts, again, all this will be on the screen how much off it was, but we have 2 strawberry banana. Right here is the second one, a pina colada and a mango. The 2 graham cracker pie crust, I was already looking at doing at least 1 pie for Thanksgiving anyways. So while the rebate was there and while the stores had them in stock, I went ahead and picked up 2 pie crust for Thanksgiving. This was 100% free after rebate. It's the Gatorade Fit, the Healthy Real Hydration. I bought this for Matt because sometimes when the weather's kind of up and down right now as it is in East Tennessee, he may still need some electrolytes after work. So I figured I could go ahead and pick this up for him or just put it in his lunchbox for the rest of the week. I'm going to go around from here. Oh wait, I told you I was going to get these drinks. I'm going to keep picking them. So you guys saw the Dr. Pepper, specifically zero sugar cherry or specifically zero sugar cream soda. $7.99 rebate. My store is only selling these for $6.49, which means one of these is completely free and money off of that one. And because it's the 3rd time, you can see that there are 2 or there are 4 right here, the 3rd time we've been able to rebate this, I've got money in there that I can immediately send over to PayPal to cover the rest of the food for Thanksgiving, and it just makes me so happy. And that's why I love doing this and showing you guys this, because like this is real life. Like you can do this. Like these are drinks that Matt needed for work anyways, and now we're getting money back on it, and now we can take all that money that we've saved up in money back and put it towards our Thanksgiving and save money for Thanksgiving, worry less about money for Thanksgiving, and spend more time with family. So the Tyson Anytizers, this is for Matt to go with his leftover pizza for tomorrow. For on Saturdays we do leftover pizza from Friday night. Makes an easy lunch for our family for Saturdays. The chips, so there's 2 bags of Ruffles and there's 2 bags of Lay's. We'll do this separate line for line because we're going to do it on screen. The Ruffles are a separate one of a rebate amount than the Lay's were, but you had to buy 2 of the Ruffles. So we picked up the sour cream and onion, and then the cheddar and sour cream. Those are more for Matt. These are more for the kids and me. This is the classic, or actually the classic is the salt and vinegar is for Matt too. We'll eat these as well, but oh, this one, sour cream and cheddar is more for Matt, and the salt and vinegar is more for Matt. And then the sour cream and onion and the regulars for the kids and me mostly. We like to do leftover or chips with leftovers for Thanksgiving, and sometimes we'll pick up like a chip dip like the week of Thanksgiving to go with the leftovers, to go with like the leftover turkey sandwiches and stuff. So I was gonna buy chips anyways. So to get the money off. And like our store was actually like having to stock them really quickly because people are selling out of them a lot right now. I guess because like football games and stuff, I don't know. But we needed chips anyways to go for Thanksgiving. We tried the Chobani oat milk the first time because it had a 75-cent rebate. The past 2 weeks it's been either $1.25 or $1.50 rebate. And so we switched to it, and I have started preferring this Chobani oat milk for my coffees, and my lactose-free one, we're kind of sharing it because she doesn't drink this much in like a week. She's loving it. She normally doesn't like a lot of milk alternatives, even though she's lactose-free. She doesn't like a lot of milk alternatives because it has either a funky flavor or a weird texture. This extra creamy Chobani oat milk is perfect for her, and she loves it. I also picked up 1 bag of the 4.4 pound chicken nuggets for the kids for either this weekend or it'll be a stock up to come. Again, if you haven't seen our punch recipe, it'll be up here. This is it was specifically the Surfin' Strawberry Citrus Hawaiian punch that was on sale. Usually we buy the Berry Blast for our punch, but it's strawberry. It has a citrusy flavor. I like citrus at the holidays, so that's what we went with. Chicken and a biscuit was actually something my family, when I was a kid, this was something like you bought like a specialty little snack food around the holidays. So I wanted to go ahead and get one anyways. I was looking at it. Then when I saw the coupon on there, I was like, yeah, let's do it. Same for the Ritz Toasted Crackers. I specifically had my lactose-free one find one that did not have dairy in it so that she could try this. I'm pretty sure, yeah, there's no dairy in this one. Specifically no dairy for her. Like she can, if it's processed at a factory with dairy, it's fine. It cannot actually have dairy in it that affects her. So she specifically picked that one out. That way she has like a cracker that she can eat with lactose-free cheese or meats and things for her. And then lastly, from Walmart, we'll still do Aldi's at the end, I promise. These little cup noodle things are great for Matt's lunch because I can send him a thermos of hot water and send him one of these with a spoon or a fork, and he can stir those up, and then I usually send him like a protein stick of some sort, like either beef jerky or something similar for his work, and they're great for him for lunches while he's on the go. I have found that like some of these brands, I actually need to send him more flavoring to him because some of them are really bland. But I wanted to go ahead and try these because it had the coupon with it. And I also figured it was something different. So I got 4 of these. They're all the same. It was the only ones I had left. The stir fry rice with noodles, General Tso's chicken flavor. So that is it for all of this. So because of all this, we were able to have 16 unique offers that we had never purchased before. This is all food that we're going to use either before Thanksgiving or on Thanksgiving Day that we were looking at purchasing anyways. A couple like this one. This is the only thing literally I can think of that was not like on my list, but when I saw it pop up, I wanted to try it anyways. And it's a fun breakfast food for us, easy breakfast in the coming weeks. Air fryer, 3 minutes, we'll be done. Put some butter on it and we'll have breakfast with something like probably nuts or something to go with it. So other than that, all of this was stuff that I needed anyways. Like I needed breakfast stuff for Matt, I needed lunch stuff for Matt. And so now, because we purchased all this, we have $14 off of a turkey at Walmart. But once I do that rebate for $14 off a turkey, I then get a rebate for 1 free can of this, 1 free pack of gravy mix, not like the jars of gravy, but the gravy packaged mix, and 1 box of Jiffy Corn Muffin mix for free. So to get $14 off of a turkey, and then like I said, this was all like 30 something dollars, it's on the screen, of a rebate. So that plus the $14 off, I can cover Thanksgiving with that. And it's just, like I said, this is one of those things that I feel happy sharing with you guys because it's like, this is real. Like, this isn't just like I bought like all this super expensive groceries. This was stuff that we wanted and needed for the holidays for anyways. And then to get money off on top of that, it's just, I'm really, really happy about this, you guys. But I need to go ahead and put this away really quick and then show you the few things from Aldi. Aldi's 2 loaves of split top wheat bread, 1 pack of the sea salt chocolate chunk cookie dough, 1 dozen eggs, 2 packs of bacon, 2 gallons of 2% milk because 'tis the season, 1 pumpkin spice coconut whip topping, which means it's lactose free from a lactose free one, 2 packs of the sliced medium cheddar, 1 bag of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 1 box of unsalted butter, and 2 packs of deep dish pie crusts.